Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions. I have a pretty neat product to show you here today. It is the A+Wedge from Garrison Dental. It's a plastic wedge that is coated with aluminum sulfate to help control interproximal bleeding. It is just a pretty clever little product. In my forceps here is G-Wedge. The A+Wedge takes that same very popular, very gentle to the papilla shape of a G-Wedge and then coats it with aluminum sulfate to prevent bleeding. The A+Wedge, as you can see, it's got that, it's almost like a little bit of granularity on the surface, and that's the aluminum sulfate that has been attached to it. For reference, on the side here is the G-Wedge. You can see it doesn't have any of that on there. Same great wedge shape, super gentle to the papilla on the underside, upturned ski-like tip so it doesn't dig in, gently curved sides so that it fits up against the curved tooth surface. The same four sizes that our G-Wedges and wedge wands have, but with the addition of that aluminum sulfate coating. One of the additional benefits, besides just controlling bleeding, the aluminum sulfate coating actually makes them a little grippier, for lack of a better technical term, than the regular plastic uncoated wedges. When you place these into the interproximal space, the curvicular fluid, any saliva, any blood that happens to be there helps to liquefy the aluminum sulfate that's on here, and it can then perform its astringent function and control bleeding. A+Wedge from Garrison Dental Solutions.